Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Scubby Sunday. So, I am recording this kind of early, like on a Saturday, because my Sundays now is getting to be pretty hectic now, because I got church choir and I got to pick up kids for Sunday school, and if I can try to record the Scrubby Sunday a little bit earlier, then that will probably be less hectic. Not that my Saturdays aren't any less hectic either. So, okay. So anyway, Scrubby Sunday. Anyway, I have these two. You probably, hopefully you've already seen it. I'm hoping to be out because I'm also recording the tutorial on how to do this. I'm calling my Bushy Stitch Dishcloth. So, I got two of them done. That's this one, which I showed how the border is pretty much the same stitch as the pattern itself. So this is done. This one is done in We Love yarn. That's from Hobby, what I got from Hobby. And if you see my work in progress video, you probably have already seen this dishcloth. This was what I made from Bushy, and I really like how that pulled. That is pretty cool. And I can say from the two yarns that this one splits. Almost every other yarn I have, cotton yarn I've dealt with, split. It has some, you have to watch for splitting, where with the Bushy, it doesn't split at all. It might not feel as soft, but you know, it's supposed to be a dishcloth. You know, but man, this is pretty. That is very pretty. So I have these two, and them are the only two I have done. I started another one, but it's probably, I'm not going to donate that one. Actually, my purpose for this one is to put a bunch of different types of yarn in it. So far I got, that's pink is the just cotton yarn from the Dollar Tree. This yellow one was the, I think, the Echo Cotton that I got off Michael's. And this, I'm not sure if this other one is probably more acrylic than cotton. I think I got it off Temu. And this is, right now I got the Bernay Craftier yarn. I plan to add some Bushy. And for sure, like, you've probably seen the Lily. I think the other ones I might have on is the, you know, the sugar and cream, the peaches and cream. I need to add that in there. So yeah, I will probably, my plan was to use it and throw it to the washer and see how the colors turn out, which I already know from experience. The peaches and cream sometimes lose color, but I was wondering how the, you know, the stuff from the Dollar Tree works out after washing, and I'm curious how this turns out after washing. So that was the purpose of this one. Oh, by the way, this pattern I'm using on this dishcloth is one of my patterns. I think I'm calling it the textured shell stitch, and you can probably see the texture on that. So actually this is a little small too, so because it's just going to be a swatch I'm going to throw in the washing machine. So see how they do, how they compare. That's all that is. Because you've already seen how this one does. I think this one does pretty well, but you know, it's white and there's no colors in it to see if they fade or not. So anyway, I'm trying to think if that is all I have. I have not yet mailed this box, so hopefully by the time you watch this video, this box will be mailed out. I already mailed out a couple packages this week. I had mailed out my mother's birthday is, oh, when you see this video, it'll be my mom's birthday. So I gotta make sure I wish her a happy birthday. Talk to her. I usually talk to her every Sunday anyway, but for sure I want to make sure I talk to her on her birthday. So I have actually already mailed out. She's into puzzles. I already mailed out her puzzles for the week, and I was part of Bridget by Queen's Craft by, holy crap, I'm drawing a blank. I'm sorry, Bridget. Queen's Craft by Bridget. I'm just drawing a blank. Anyway, she had a 4-year podiversary, and I had donated a couple skeins of Karen cotton cake as a prize, and I had mailed that off this week. So hopefully the recipient, the lucky winner, had received that. She should have gotten that on Friday. So I already mailed a couple packages, and this, I'm recording this on a Saturday, so I usually do running around with my son on Saturdays, so hopefully one of the stops will be to mail off this box. And these 2 dishcloths will be added to the mix. Now, there we are. There we are. We have a full box of dishcloths. So that is going to get mailed off today. I'm going to make sure it's going to get mailed off today. Oh, I probably should leave a note. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave a note or not. Yeah, I'll probably leave a little note, hoping that this box gets there and do my part to help out the homeless vets. Oh, and which I probably should have mentioned at the beginning of the video, all of these dishcloths are going to go to the American Starfish.org, and they're going to use these as part of their washcloths. Going to go to their washing stations. And I'm not sure, you can probably leave in the comments, they might sell that, like these, like at farmers markets and stuff like that, but I don't want to start spreading rumors, and I think I heard that on one of the other videos, which I am totally okay with this. These are pretty. There's a whole bunch of YouTubers sending a bunch of dishcloths, so if they haven't accessed more than they need, then why would not try to sell them and make money for their organization? To me, that would be common sense. But anyway, I saw the reason why I got involved in this, because I seen a video from Alie Artifacts, and she mentioned Heather from I'm getting my 2 channels mixed up. I'm thinking of another channel. Heather from Strings and Thread, okay. I was confusing her with another channel, with another project I'm working on. Anyway, Heather from Strings and Threads, the American Starfish.org had reached her, had contacted her to see if she could make some dishcloths for the washing stations, and lo and behold, there's a whole bunch of people now making dishcloths, and now I will get this sent out. And we got they're accepting them. The American Starfish.org is accepting them till Veterans Day, which I believe is November 11th. So, alright, that is enough rambling by me. If you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video.